Good morning. Had a really good night's sleep at Beech camp last night. I think I slept for about 9 hours straight. So I am really good for this morning. We are going to get to Albert Mountain. There's a fire tower there. So we're going to try to head there. It's around 10 miles in. And we'll take a nice break there, maybe for lunch. And then we plan on staying at Rock Gap Shelter. So we're looking at about 15.2 today, but shouldn't be too bad. The elevation to the tower is only about 600 feet. And then the final, after our nice break, will be somewhere around 1,200 foot to get to Rock Gap. So let's get warmed up and start going. So many water sources today. It's been really nice compared to yesterday. A lot of little creeks running through. It's really nice to walk by as well. All right, making good time. We are on the Timber Ridge Trail, and we're getting pretty close to Carter Gap Shelter. Might stop for water. The water situation at Beech campsite was not great, but I did completely fill up, so we might need to resupply a bit before we get there. God, it's just so close to a green tunnel. We're almost there. But if all of, well, half of these trees weren't dead and had leaves, then I could call it a green tunnel. Not yet. We'll get there. All right, checking back in. We just got down from that ridge. It was a really fun hike. I really liked that. And then at the end there was a lot of rocks coming down, but they were all placed really conveniently and not just there to trip on. I think I'm actually noticing some really big improvements with my hiking in general. I'm not getting as winded on inclines, and I'm able to just kind of power through them and then rest on the straightaways and the descents. So really happy so far with the progress. I know it won't be a while until I have oops. It'll be a while until I actually have my trail legs, but yeah, pretty happy with everything that's going on.
Ew.
How's it going?
Bro, what a view.
I know.
What?
It's amazing.
Yeah. And there's like almost no trees blocking it either.
Huh. Crazy. Okay, so we have a culvert coming up in like half a mile. And we're out of water, so I think we'll be stopping. So one thing I also noticed getting this close to the fire tower, I looked at the time and I was like, it's only 11:20. The fire tower was 10 miles away from camp. So I'm like 8.5 miles in 2.5 hours, which I think is pretty good. I think I was making some good time today. So I think the plan is definitely get water at the culvert and then hike the 2 miles to the fire tower, and might take a little lunch there. All right, got our water. We are making our way up Albert Mountain. Pretty rocky so far. The elevation of the climb looks pretty steep, but not too bad yet. Pretty excited to get to the fire tower though. But the views are going to be amazing. Not that they aren't already. Wow. It's beautiful. I have been trying whenever climbing these mountains to find the benchmark on the top. I've only found a few, honestly. I think I need to do a bit of research and find out what the coordinates are. Ever since climbing Camel's Hump Mountain and discovering the benchmark at the top, I've kind of been obsessed with trying to find them. For anyone who's kind of not familiar, the U.S. Geological Survey group kind of puts a benchmark or a kind of a metal marker at the top of mountains and other locations too, but usually indicates the highest point on a mountain. I did find the one on Blood Mountain, which was really cool. But yeah, maybe we'll find one on Albert. Okay, we're almost there. Just gotta go straight up. Almost there. Little bit of a scramble coming up here, but not too bad. Starting to get hot. There it is. We're so close. I'm beat. Oh, made it. The view is amazing. What a good day. Really good hike today. It's beautiful. Okay. I'm afraid of heights, so let's get down. Just made it to Rock Gap Shelter. Just filling up here, filling up some water, get some food. Tomorrow is going to be a Nero to resupply. And from there, we're gonna head straight for Fontana Dam. So, gonna try to get some sleep. And it's only 4 miles tomorrow, which will be really nice. Yeah, that's it. Had a great day. Did 15 miles today, but it wasn't too bad, except for the big climb up to the tower. But yeah, otherwise great day. And I'll see y'all tomorrow.